Hi everyone, I'm Darsh Mehta. I'm a part of Christ University BCom Honors batch of 2014 to 2017. Along with my BCom Honors, I joined the CMA program with Miles Education back in 2015, around September 2015, and I completed the US CMA course in around 10 months' time. It has been an amazing experience attending the early morning classes at around 7 a.m., watching Varun sir's videos and Rohan sir's guidance back in 2015, 2016. It was a really memorable experience for me, attending all my CMA classes very early in the morning and then my regular schedule. Apart from that, my quick advice to all the US CMA CP aspirants is keep accumulating certifications. It might not help you immediately, but these are long-term gains. So I've already almost had a 6-year association with Miles now. It has been an amazing experience so far. So I've been a part of the classes were really memorable, really helpful one thing because early in the morning, waking up and listening into those energetic videos along with our coordinator really broadened our horizons. It really helped me clear both the attempts very quickly. Apart from it, even after my exams, I've been part of a lot of activities with Miles. I've given a lot of talks elsewhere. They've constantly helped me with placements. So my association with Miles, I have this relationship for 4 to 5 years. For any professional program, once the candidate usually completes the tenuity, the relation doesn't stay. But I've been lucky enough to have this relation for more than 4 to 5 years. I was one of the first few candidates to complete it as a part of the MOU along with the student bodies, and I'm really glad to be associated with Miles for so long and looking forward to many such memories ahead. And the best memory of my US CMA studying was the early morning classes that I had before my become classes started. So around 7:30 in the morning, I would watch like the entire group watch Varun sir's videos along with our academic facilitator. His energy is what really pushed us to complete the entire course early in the morning, as it was quite hectic because of doing multiple courses. But you guys will not imagine that it acts as a great synergy along with what we do. For me, when you think of Miles, that catchy phrase always stays with me since I've heard it as a student. It says miles to go. So always I look at it from a journey perspective. There is no destination, and like in education as well. So now being in corporate for almost 4.5 years, anybody who says I'm done with education or I don't want to study anymore is saying that there's an end to learning. But clearly there is miles to go in terms of learning, and there's miles to go in terms of further education as well. So yeah, because of my US CMA, I have a great memory. As a part of IMA's student leadership conference, I visited Detroit, Michigan for a 4-day conference, and that was one of the highlights of my CMA program. Lastly, many congratulations, Miles Education, for completion of your 10 years. Many congratulations, Varun sir. And like you guys always say, miles to go. All the best.